Alright guys, if you guys are wondering how my days went, well, sit back and relax. I'm about to tell y'all. It's gonna be a good one. There's a fire burn the fire brigade. So tonight we losing this fight. So tonight is. So yesterday, I had a car. I was doing the front timing cover. I had to remove a compressor, alternator, valve covers, pulleys, tensioner, crankshaft, stuff like that to get to the front timing cover reseal. This morning, I was the first one at work, okay? I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and knock this thing out by then, like noon, which I did. You know, by 12 o'clock, I got everything done. Back on the car, valve covers, front timing, pulleys, you know, etc. Just as I thought my day was going great, it didn't, okay? When I was putting everything back, it was telling me, hey, you gotta be careful when you put that front timing cover back on. That's an O-ring that sits on the coolant valley. A lot of people at work, like roll them over, and what that does is gonna overheat. Okay, so I put everything back on. I start the car. I let it sit for like 30 minutes, right? Victor pointed it out. He said, hey, dude, I think you have coolant on the ground. I was like, no way. I know for sure that I checked the coolant neck. For sure. Because every time I do a front timing cover, I always double check because it's a pain in the ass to like redo them. Well, I was wrong. It happened to me. It sucks. So I had to remove the coolant valley, and then Victor was rushing me. He was like, dude, hurry up, we gotta hit the road, dude. It's almost like 6 o'clock. So I'm over here rushing, and then I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna leave the problem till Monday so I can enjoy my weekend. I was not about to hold up Victor for this road trip. So we're gonna be on the beach pretty much, right?
Yeah.
Well, there you go, guys. That's how my days went. What about you? You didn't do shit at work.
What?
Yeah, you didn't do anything at work, dude.
Yeah, I did.
No. Guys, he don't really do anything at work, to be honest. All he does is goof around and go make fun of people and shit. So he's kind of like the class clown at the dealership. But what are you doing?
Me? You can't eat?
Yeah, but that's not the proper way to eat fries, dude.
How you eat?
You use your fingers. Dude, put in your seatbelt. That noise is annoying the hell out of me.
College Boulevard, Lee's Lane.
Who?
The beeping noise.
Asked you.
Oh, good one. I bet you guys haven't heard of that one. Alright guys, so earlier we mentioned about the place that we were going, but I couldn't pronounce it. Here's a better look of where we're heading to. It's called Matagorda. So here's a better look where we at. This is Houston, okay? Where we live. And about an hour or 2 hours away, that is Matagorda. That's where we're heading for the weekend. So just want to let you guys know, in case you're wondering what's that city or that town we were talking about. It's Matagorda. Alright guys, so we thought we were gonna go to a beach house, but no, we'll end up going to a beach. Alex, what's up, Alex? So everybody's over there. We're literally on the beach, guys. Me and Victor and Alex over here, we're like we're outdoor people. So this is perfect. So right now, me and Victor's gonna unload the stuff. We got fishing rods, rails, volleyball bags, and then a boogie board. So we're at the beach, and I know it could be really windy. So if you guys are picking up the wind, I do want to apologize. We're walking up here where everybody's having a party and stuff. While Victor's mom is making pozole.
You want to wear everything?
Yeah, if she don't want.
Alright, this is traditional pozole.
Let's see if we can get him in the light.
Yeah, it's in the lighting.
Sorry guys, kind of hard to see, but we're gonna get him. Alright guys, we got some better lighting over here. So Alex, can you explain what it is?
So this is a traditional Mexican cultural food.
Yeah.
It's called pozole.
Okay, what does it have in there?
It has onion, tomato, some lettuce.
Can you stir it up so people can see what's under there? Yeah, don't drop it.
It's like corn.
Oh, it's like corn, okay.
And then there's meat inside it too, like that.
guys, I think we got one on the hook. Omar's reeling it in. Hopefully we get a big one. Oh, look at that, guys. Check that out. Woo-hoo! Hell yeah, Omar.
It was either that other one or this one. I told you.
Alright guys, now we're gonna play the waiting game. Kick back by the fire. Omar and Victor doing their thing. Dude, I think we got another one! Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, it's on. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a big one. Dude, let me show you guys something. Omar got up so quick and ran to the little rod and he bent the crap out of this thing. Holy crap. Well, at least we know we got one on the line. Come on. Holy crap, there's another red, guys. Oh, she's still fighting. Holy crap, another one. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a good night. Well, good morning guys. Welcome to the second day of the trip. If you guys are wondering why I'm in the back of the car at 7 o'clock in the morning, well, Omar and Victor slept in the front. This is where I slept last night after a long night. We caught a couple reds, I think 3 in total. No sharks. We're hoping today we can get some sharks. To be honest, it was pretty comfortable. I mean, yes, it was kind of compact and small, but overall, I slept well. Oh, look at all that goodness. Oh my God. It's so... I'm like the last one to have like breakfast like this. Can you eat this for breakfast?
Yeah.
Alright guys, we got stuck. Victor car got stuck in the sand. Victor dad is stuck as well. I'm covered in sand. There you go. Come on, come on. There you go. I guess we're gonna start digging now. But now we're gonna dig. We're back on the road again. That spot was killing us. We got both vehicles out. Good shit, dude. Holy shit. That truck made it out. Now we're gonna head back. So the trip kind of ended a little bit earlier than we expected. I don't know, I guess we just, it's like we thought we was gonna come back in the afternoon, but no, we came back in like noon. A little bit earlier than, again, like I thought we were coming. But right now, Victor's helping me in packing my stuff. I'm gonna get cleaned up and I'm gonna head to his house. But yeah, I'll see you in a bit, dude.
Alright, man.
Yeah, I'll be over there.
Alright.
Those, appreciate it. Alright guys, I'm about ready to head to Victor's house. I need to go to his house and do some stuff. I got done cleaning up. I had sand all over my body just because we're trying to get those 2 cars that got stuck in the sand. But thankfully we got some locals who came out and helped. Most of the time I was doing the work. Victor was just standing there. Oh my God, oh my God, we got stuck. So if you guys are wondering how did the truck and the SUV made it out after being stuck there, I mean, as you guys can see, the tire was deep into the sand. And we had to put some plywood to catch traction because the truck was very deep into the sand. So that's another tip there, guys. If you get stuck in a deep sand spot, just have like something, like maybe a plywood or a log or whatever it is. Put it under the wheel, okay? And hopefully you can catch traction and you can get out, you know, get out safely. Oh yeah, Victor has 2 Miatas, in case you're wondering.
That's the daily one. And then when he has on the drive is a project. It's a project car. What's up, Alex? Hey, where's Victor?
I don't know. I need this.
Look at this, guys. He asked me to come over, and look what he's doing. Dude, I'm about to roast you up. His daughter is more alive than him. Hello? Get up, bro. You're on the vlog.
There's a fire burn the fire brigade. Our souls tonight, we losing this fight. Oh, our souls tonight.